Hi guys, this is 3D Arts Incorporation, where we have total solution for the 3D printing. Everyone are asking what we can do with 3D printing, so I am giving you one small example today, and later on we will add more examples what you can do with 3D printing in real life and how it can make your life more easy. Like all other things, we design something that can be useful in daily life, and I will show you about that, and you will see and you will be amazed what we can do with 3D printing. So here is a 2-pin DIN converter. This is with 3D printed. It's printing very fast, not taking long time, and here you can use it with the 2-pin DIN and insert your generic power adapter. Basically I am using this one 5 volt 1 ampere. You can use up to 2 ampere, no problem, and solve your matter. So here you can see 3D printing, how it's helping us in real life. So here is the IKEA lamp. If you see, this one have very special pin. It's called 2-pin DIN, and this type of adapter hardly you can find anywhere. Once you lose the adapter or you burn your old adapter, you need to search a lot, and normally you will end up in landfill this lamp because you cannot use it. Its original adapter is like this. This is 4 volt adapter, and its pin is 2-pin DIN. One is like a rectangle and one is like round pin. It will be used like this. This is original adapter, and you can power it up. Now suppose you don't have this adapter, what you will do? So here is the thing, we create this one. This is power converter for the 2-pin DIN, and it's especially made for IKEA, but it can use any lamp or any connector where you are using 2-pin DIN. Only you need to make sure what kind of adapter you need. So specification adapter is also necessary. So you will use this one on top of this, and use any standard power supply like this between 4 to 5 volt center positive. You can use here, just insert it and you all done. It's like that, or this one like this. Once you done, you can use it lamp as a regular lamp, and you don't need to search that special power supply that's not available anywhere. This part also you can get the STL file if you want at 3darts.ca. You can email and you can check. I will left the links in description, and also you can buy this part $5.99 at azsurplus.com. We will left the link for that as well too. This is created by 3D Arts, and you can check out at 3darts.ca more details. And we are in Brampton, Ontario, Canada, 45 Queen Street East.